Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your own Oracle Apex development environment completely for free. First, open your web browser and go to apex.oracle.com. This is the official Oracle Apex homepage where you can start building intelligent enterprise apps. To create your environment, click on the Start for Free Today button. Here, Oracle gives you 3 different options to start using Apex. Option 1, Free Apex Workspace, fastest way. The quickest way to start, no installation needed. Runs free in Oracle Cloud. Click Free Sign Up to get started. Option 2, Apex on Oracle Cloud, recommended. Develop apps on a fully managed autonomous database in Oracle Cloud, ideal for production and scalability. Option 3, Apex on-premises. Install Apex on your own Oracle database server for full control over your environment. For beginners, I recommend starting with the free Apex Workspace. It's quick to set up, doesn't require any installation, and is perfect for learning. Now I will click on the free sign up. After selecting free Apex Workspace, you'll be taken to the Request a Workspace page. Here, you just need to fill in a few simple details. Enter your full name, for example, I've entered Abdullah Al Mamoon. Provide your active email address. Oracle will send the Workspace activation link to this email. This is the unique name for your Apex environment. You can choose something like My Workspace or project name. Select your country from the drop-down list. Additional questions. Are you new to Oracle Apex? Select Yes if you are a beginner. Do you plan to use Apex for education or training? Select Yes or No depending on your purpose. Agreement and submit. Check the box to agree to the Oracle Apex Service Agreement, then click Request Workspace. Once you submit, you'll receive a confirmation email. Open it, click the activation link, and your free workspace will be ready. After submitting your request, you'll receive an email from Oracle Apex confirming that your workspace has been approved. Now click on the Create Workspace. Click the green button, Continue to Sign In screen. Before you can sign in for the first time, Oracle Apex will ask you to set a password for your new Workspace account. In the New Password field, enter a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Click Change Password to save your new credentials. Now your workspace is fully set up. In the next tutorial, we'll start building your first Apex application from scratch.